Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our new class for the subject of accounting second paper for 11 and 12 classes business studies students. In previous lesson, I have already discussed in the concept and definition of financial statement of joint stock company. Today I will discuss or I will solve a creative question for learning financial statement of joint stock company. Okay, dear students, now you can take your accounting second paper book, that is accounting learning workbook level 2, and open at page number 325. Today I will solve the exercise number 3. Now you can take your accounting second paper book, that is accounting learning workbook level 2, and open at page number 325 for solving exercise 3. I think you have taken your accounting book and accounting copy. Just for time being, I read the question of creative 3. The authorized capital of Kya Company Limited is Taka 4 lakh divided into 40,000 shares of Taka 10 each. The following trial balance and adjustment are available as at June 30, 2014. Opening stock of Taka 40,000. I'm just reading and indicating the all items. Opening stock, there is one kind of item of cost of goods sold. The first item of cost of goods sold. Purchase and sales, two items are related to income statement. Purchase, one kind of expenditure, it is related to cost of goods sold, and sales, one kind of revenue, then it is related to income statement. Carries inward one kind of direct expenses, it is related to cost of goods sold. Return in debit, sales return in credit, purchase return. Trade discount in debit 2,500 and credit discount 1,500. In debit, trade discount is sales discount. In credit, trade discount is purchase discount. These items are related to sales and purchase. It will be deducted from the sales and purchase. Wages, one kind of revenue expenditure, that is direct expenses. It is related to cost of goods sold. Share capital, that is related to financial statement or financial position. Part 2, that is capital and liabilities. 20% investment, that one kind of asset in the head of long-term investment. Land and building, one kind of fixed asset. Cash in hand, one kind of current assets, a short-term asset. Office equipment, one kind of fixed asset. Discount paid, one kind of expenditure, that is other expenses in related to income statement. 10% loan, one kind of long-term liability. It is indicated as the part of financial position. Salary, one kind of indirect or operating expenses. It is related to income statement. Prepaid insurance premium, it is related to current assets. Goodwill, one kind of fixed asset. Share premium is the part of reserve and surplus in the part of financial position. It is part 2. Income tax in trial balance, it is related to retained earnings statement, the new statement for second paper. Income tax provision, it is also related to retained earnings statement. Dear students, just you can read the adjustment. Closing stock cost price of Taka 65,000 but 10% less of its market price. Number 2, adjustment depreciation on building at the rate of 10% and OPC equipment at the rate of 5%. Number 3, adjustment goods distributed to customer Taka 3,000 at free of cost but not recorded in book. Number 4, salary due for the month of May and June. Number 5, interest on bank overdraft is to be charged Taka 10,500. Number 6, dividend to be declared on share capital at the rate of Taka 10%. Number 7, share premium to be written up with goodwill. Number 8, income tax reserve, that is new income tax reserve Taka 5,000. Number 9, transfer Taka 5,000 to reserve fund from net profit. But you have to record for preparing 3 items. Number A, determine the amount of cost of goods sold. I think you know the better solution, cost of goods sold from SSC level. Second one, determine the amount of net profit or loss assuming gross profit of Taka 80,000. That is the income statement. Third one, determine the amount of balance of retained earnings assuming net profit of Taka 88,000. That is current year net profit of Taka 88,000. It is the new statement for you. So dear learners, are you ready for taking my solution or my instruction? You have to follow my instruction properly and then write in your copy full solution of this question. This is creative question number 3, page number 325. Dear students, now you can take 3 pages for requirement 3 for 3 requirements A, B and C. In all time when you are to prepare a financial statement of company, then draw a format with 4 columns. First column in particulars, second one amount Taka detail, third one amount Taka detail, fourth one amount Taka total. Okay, take 3 pages for 3 requirements. First one cost of goods sold, second one net profit or loss, third one retained earnings statement. Okay, the first one, requirement A, you can see in the slide in the screen. Requirement A, statement of cost of goods sold. Requirement A, determine the amount of cost of goods sold. Okay, how to determine it in this level or SSC level? In all time you are solved cost of goods sold. Totally 4 steps or 4 heads are included. First one, opening stock. Second one, add net purchase. Third one, add direct expenses. Fourth one, less closing stock. This is how you have to write for determining cost of goods sold in financial statement. Okay, now you can write in your copy properly. Requirement A, statement of cost of goods sold of Kya Company Limited for the year ended 30 June 2014. First item of cost of goods sold in this math, opening stock Taka 40,000 from trial balance. And the first item of trial balance you can see in trial balance, add net purchase. How to find out the net purchase? In this math, purchase amount is Taka 1,50,000 from trial balance. You have to write in first column. Then you can deduct the sales purchase return amount. This is the amount of 2,000, and then you can deduct from the amount of purchase trade discount. That is the credit trade discount amount Taka 1,500, and then you can deduct goods distribution or goods distributed to customer Taka 3,000 at free of cost but not recorded in book. This is the adjust number 3. When goods distribution or goods destroyed or goods drawings, it's all time purchase decreased. So you have to deduct it from the net purchase amount. Now, net purchase amount is taka 1,43,500 in middle column. You can write. Then third head of cost of goods sold at direct expenses. In trial balance available of direct expenses, first one carries in 2,500. You have to write in middle column. Then wages amount taka 3,000 in trial balance available. Okay, dear students, you know totally 4 heads are available in cost of goods sold. Already I have written 3 heads: opening stock, net purchase, direct expenses. These 3 heads are to be added. Total of taka 1,89,000. Then you can deduct from this amount closing stock. Closing stock amount taka for 65,000 in adjustment number 1, but 10% less of its market price. So you can deduct 10% amount from the 65,000. At this moment, net closing stock 58,500 you have to write in middle column. Then it can be deduct from the amount of 1,89,000. So you can get taka cost of goods sold in outer column. That is the third column of amount 1,30,500. Okay, dear students, I think you have solved. You have written your copy for requirement A. Dear boys and girls, now you can go to the next page for requirement B. Requirement B, determine the amount of net profit or loss assuming gross profit of taka 80,000. That is, gross profit is given. So you can start with the gross profit. Always in this format you have to solve the comprehensive income statement. Statement of comprehensive income, that is the first shell as gross profit is given of Care Company Limited for the year ended 30 June 2014. Okay, same format we are followed in financial statement. Okay, I can start. Gross profit given, that is the amount of taka 80,000 you have to write in outer column. Then you can write less operating expenses, that is indirect operating expenses. So many items included in operating expense, but in this math or in this question, totally 5 operating expenses are available. Number 1, salary taka 25,000 in trial balance, but in adjustment number 4, salary due for the month of May and June, 2 months due, that is 10 months paid taka 25,000, that is 2 months due taka 5,000 is available. So you can write in total amount of salary taka 30,000 in middle column. Discount paid is the amount of 4,000 is available in trial balance. Depreciation on building and depreciation on office equipment. Depreciation on building at the rate of 10%. Office equipment at the rate of 5%. So this percentage would be charged on fixed asset, that is building, totally 1,25,000, 10%. So depreciation on building 12,500. Another one, depreciation on equipment, office equipment amount taka 49,500. But depreciation charge 5% on this amount. So depreciation on equipment amount 2475, that is 2475. Advertisement not available in trial balance but available in adjustment. Adjustment number 3, goods distributed to customer 3000 at free of cost but not recorded in book. Goods distributed to customer at free of cost for publicity of business. So it is the amount of advertisement you have to write here. Advertisement new 3000. At this moment total operating expenses 51,975. So you can deduct it from the amount of 80,000. Now you can get operating profit 28,025. Another two heads are available and other incomes available in this math. Investment interest, investment amount 81,000, that is 20%. Total amount of 16,200 at first in middle column and then go outer column to be added with 28,025. Another one, less other expenses. Two other expenses are available in this question. First one, loan interest. Another one, bank overdraft. Two items are available in adjustment. Loan totally 57,000 would be charged 10%. So interest on loan 5,700 and interest on bank overdraft 10,500 from adjustment. Total amount of taka for other expenses 16,200. Now you can deduct this amount from 44,225. Now you can get net profit before tax. In this level, there is the level of accounting second paper for financial statement of company. You can write here net profit before tax amount 28,025. And then new item, you can deduct income tax reserve, the new amount, adjustment number 8, income tax reserve 5,000. You can write it in outer column 5,000 and deduct it from 28,025. Now you can get 23,025. That is net profit after tax. That is the requirement of this math of B. So net profit after tax amount 23,025. Dear students, I think you have written in your copy requirement A and B. Now you can go to 3. It is the new statement of retained earnings of Care Company Limited for the year ended 30 June 2014. In this math, few items are available for retained earnings. First one, balance BD, last year net profit not available, but current year net profit is given from requirement C, 88,000. Total profit 88,000 in outer column. Then you have to deduct the appropriations item. First one, income tax in trial balance 5,000, but income tax provision in trial balance 10,000. It will be deduct from the income tax. You have to get the amount 5,000 negative. Dividend declared 30,000. It's from adjustment 10% on share capital. Share capital 3 lakh at the rate of 10%. You will get dividend 30,000. Another one, reserve fund. This is from trial balance, not adjust. This is from adjustment. Adjustment number 9. Transfer 5,000 to reserve fund from net profit. So any kind of reserve or any kind of fund when to be created from net profit, then you can write in the appropriation item of retained earnings statement. So I have written in this amount 5,000 in first column. The total appropriations amount 30,000, outer column 30,000. So you have to deduct it from the amount of 88,000. Now got the amount 58,000. This is the amount of balance CD. It would be transferred to financial position, that is for 2, capital and liabilities, and second head, reserve and surplus. Dear students, I think you have written in your copy all requirements. Exercise number 3 from page number 325 from your accounting learning workbook. This is Mahmoud Hussain, Senior Lecturer, Department of Accounting, English Medium, Morning Shift, Rajagutra Model College. Now you can take your home assignment for the first day. Open the page 314 and you have to answer exercise 3. Okay, that's all for being today. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.